Taking the old headlight. I mean, yeah, the HIDs out the old headlights. Yeah, I'm taking them out of there and put them up in the new one. Cause the new headlights came with the regular bulb, the halogen bulbs. I think that's how you say it, halogen bulbs. I ain't feeling that. Shit, I gotta get that bit. Hold up. See, I was getting a little water in there. Woody. That's another one. Okay, which one of them did I show? Right here. Yes, sir. Taped it up, make it so they want to come apart, because I ain't want to have to do all that shit. and get something for it. Like, you ain't trying to break that, then have to order another one for it. These the headlights I got. Just simple little plug and play. I don't know if y'all see it, but yeah, it's just a little simple plug and play. I ain't have the high beam. I just had the low beam. See the high beams. The high beam still with the regular bulb. Cause with these you ain't even gotta ride with no high beam. Got the new headlights in here, man. Man, she look good. It took me about like probably a good 45 minutes. I was recording early for my storage I got full, so I had to go in and delete some shit. But man, the lights look good. But the flaw is I gotta change that grill now. It look like the grill just looks so dull to me now since I got the new headlights. See, I can see the little flaws in it. Spot right there. My emblem. Yeah, I gotta go and change the grill now. But overall, the headlights look wonderful. But hopefully, I can have a grill in by next Saturday. Yeah. See, far back, that bit look pressure. It's pressure far back. But up close, man, you can see the flaws. I ain't really get that. I want her to be A1 this year. You know, like last year, I rode around with that. Matter of fact, let me do y'all the walk around and show you all the flaws. You'll be able to see the difference once you fix it. We're gonna start from right here. Let me see whatever. It's a little dent right here. You can see it. I got mad one day and punched it. Didn't think I was gonna get him. He said he gonna fix that. Let me see. This right here. Got a little chip right there. I'm gonna paint these with the same color of the car. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Still a surprise. You hear me? And I want to see who's gonna get it right here. Right there. Bumper. And that right there. That little knee. Yeah, she been out there. That motor healthy. This side here kind of straight though. And then I got this little spot right here. From the rims when I had them bad ball joints on. But yeah, that's pretty much all the flaws I got in there. It ain't just bad to be she's 2007 to be what? Maybe 14, 15 years old, something like that. She ain't bad. I kept her up, but I want them little flaws fixed, man. I want her to be just perfect, you know? Because she been perfect for me, you know? She's been a damn good car. Like that video I had said, is it worth having a Lincoln or selling? Man, hands down, it's worth it, man. I ain't gonna lie, this is the best car I ever had, man. I had a Grand Marquis before this one. It was a good car too, but this one, I gotta say, it's my baby, man. 200-some thousand miles on the motor, man. Listen up. Just quiet, just girl, man. Love it. Yes, sir. Yeah, like I told y'all about the headlights. Oh yeah, I got them in. Hopefully I'm finna go get a detail today. She gonna be good. Yes, sir. I'm gonna change the floor mat, put black floor mat, black seat covers. Cover these up. Yeah, baby ain't gonna be looking like this for long, man. It's the last week she gonna be looking like this, man. I'm gonna kind of miss her though, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's a badass curl on. but shit, I want her to look at that better. I want to try something different. And best believe we're gonna do something with the Hyundai. That Hyundai. Believe that. We're gonna do something with the Hyundai. I'm thinking 22. I seen the video talking about me scrub. As a matter of fact, there's gonna be another video. We ain't gonna need to talk about it. We ain't gonna need to talk about this day on this video. We gonna get back to her. Gonna be a whole nother project right there. But yeah, man. It's just a quick little video, man. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video here. Then later on, man, we're gonna do this little demo for them requests that we got. My bad, it might sound like I was moaning, but I had that little ciggy in my mouth while I was talking. But yeah, man. Later on, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man, and we're gonna get us a little vlog in on the demo. Get y'all hear how my baby son. I'll be back with y'all, man.